Friends, actually, I think we had a gap of, a little gap only when we went out for lunch and then we came back. And maybe, yes, the session that Raghu conducted was good. But now, even you to freshen up a little and move away from that, let us play a game. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Is
all
everybody
set.
okay to play a game?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
yes, buddy, all
Fine,
set.
fine. So just a little bit of attention. I'm going to, tell you the rules that there are some fruits with which I have associated a gesture. Like when I say apple, you clap. When I say grapes, you wink. When I say banana, you pull your cheeks. When I say pear, you pull your nose. And when I say orange, wherever you are sitting, just move in both the directions. Do you want me to repeat it?
Yes,
Or
yes.
you have all got it?
Yes, yes. Once again.
Okay, fine. Once again, okay, I'll say apple, clap, grapes, wink, banana, pull your cheeks, pear, pull your nose, and orange, turn around. Okay, I'm going to start. Banana. Very good. Pear. I think, yeah, everybody is very alert. Orange.
Turn around.
Apple. Grape.
Yes.
दोनों आंखें बंद करो।
एक आंख
एक आंख left या right?
Somebody is good at
प्रैक्टिस चली गई
winking, some is not.
अभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं इतनी
Bhavesh bhai, how many
Okay,
times?
orange. No, just, yeah, that is it.
Again, shift.
Yeah. Okay, great. So friends, basically now, I think you all are very alert and attentive. So thank you for that attention that you're going to give me. I am just, trying to tell you the story of my mother. It was a family gathering long time ago. I'm talking about many years before. And we all our relatives were there together in that get together. And everybody was performing some or the other activity. They were showing their talent. Majorly, most of the kids that were doing it, even the elders were doing it. So, everybody enjoyed that evening very much. Almost at the end of that evening, my uncle, that is my mom's brother, he stood up and he told, all the talents that you see here, there is one more person who is very talented. And that is my sister, that is, he was talking about my mother. And actually that surprised me. My mother, talented, I could not actually connect that. So out of that inquisitiveness, I went to my uncle and asked him, Mamu, you said something about my mother. She's very talented. Can you explain? He said, yes. She's so talented, I can tell you. She was one of the most brilliant students of her time in her college, in a school. She was a very good painter. She was actually proficient in many languages, Hindi, Marathi. She could write, and besides reading, she could also write. And she was very lively and bubbly. And I was, just looking at my uncle, listening to something which I had not experienced. And he also told that, we everybody thought in our family that the boy who gets married to him is going to be a lucky guy. So my father was lucky, but I don't know. He also knew whether that person he's marrying is that talented or not. And even when I look back at my childhood and, the time that I spent with my mother, my think was that my mother is a very simple, a very homely, and a very, happy-go-lucky, or rather simple female. Rather a little emotional. That is what I could see towards me and my siblings. Actually, after that, I started observing my mother. I was looking at where that talent is. I cannot see it. So I could see that, we had in our family, my father's mother, that is my grandmother was there, a very strong personality. Very, sometimes you can say a little dominant. So when my mother came into this family, there were a lot of restrictions which she had to face. She could not go out late in the evening, even if it has to be to go with my father also, she was not allowed. If she has to cook something for dinner or for lunch, she has to consult my grandmother. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to. So everything that was there, and she was not allowed to speak with the neighbors also, especially the males. And I could not actually get that, all these pressures that were there. I think somehow whatever she was, she suppressed herself. At one I got married and, my two daughters were born. I could see a big change in her. I could see that my mother was supporting my children, my elder daughter, my younger daughter, in their activities. She would encourage them to do a lot of things and at the same time teach them. She even sat with them to recite the shlokas, which we have, recite every day. She made it a point that they learn everything and they become more, groomed properly. She wanted everything for them. Somehow I felt that she was doing what she could not do. She wanted the grandchildren to do it. Now, if I say that because of my wife's support and my mother, there were two things that happened in my family for my children. My elder daughter, she actually became an accomplished dancer. She conducted her Arangetram in Bharatnatyam. And my younger daughter, she has become an Visharad in singing. So, that pushing that was required was given by my wife and my mother. She was always there to help them. Now, listening to all this, I think you could understand that there are a lot of people, or rather, we can also relate somewhere that there are a lot of things which we want to do in our life. But are we getting that atmosphere, the encouragement from ourselves? I remember I wanted to become a pilot. I became a chemical engineer. Because my brother, he wanted to become a chemical engineer and he could not do that. He told, "Bhai, tere ko karna padega." I said, okay. So somehow, I just want to, I'm just sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I just told you, this is my elder daughter with her Arangetram, which she had done when she was about 13 years. Now she is about 23. And this is my younger daughter with her Arangetram, Visharad trophy. And, I confronted my mother. Most of the time she used to neglect that. And she only told me one thing at that time, that I don't want to look at what has gone bad in the past. And he made a statement to me, which I just want to share with you. She said, "I cannot go back and make a brand new start, but I can start and make a new end." This hit me very strongly. So now, friends, I am just, going to ask you to take your pen and paper. And there are some 2-3 questions which I'm going to ask you, and I want you to look into your life and just answer them. Should I start?
Yes.
Yes, Bhavesh. Yes.
So the first
Yes.
question is, what is your best day in life that you remember?
Actually, lot
Okay.
of best days. Little.
Bhavesh,
Rina, you can just pick up one.
Okay. I'll try to.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Bhavesh bhai, for me it was today.
Okay, yeah, I
Yes.
can get it. JD, will not forget you also.
Bhavesh, can
Yeah.
I try?
Yeah, please share.
The day I purchased my property and the key was there in my hand. That was the best day.
Wow. Great. Anybody else?
Yeah, Bhavesh, as I shared before, also in my 10 minutes presentation, the day my daughter was born
Yes,
was
yes,
was
yes,
the was the most I
Yeah.
think the best day in my life.
I cannot forget the story which you had told.
Yeah.
You know,
So
Ah.
that was the best day, and it had mixed emotions. So you know about it.
but
So
yeah, when
that
you
was
said
good.
it, I had good goosebumps. I remember it. Yes.
I can go
Anybody
next. I think when I got
please.
married to my wife, I was carrying on with her. Yeah.
Everybody get
Oh,
married
he's a
to the
lucky
wife
one.
only. You can say the name.
Neha.
Yeah, okay.
Can I go, Bhavesh?
Anybody else?
No, for
Yeah, please.
So the day where I stood up again after my accident and I can see my leg again, that was the best day
Wow.
for me in my life.
Yes. Vimal, I get that. And you are a fighter. I can get that. Anybody else?
May
Before
I?
move to the...
May
Yeah,
I?
please. Yeah,
When I got my when I got my B.Ed result, though I just appeared for the exam when I was 52, it was a difficult task for me, but it was a wonderful thing when I saw the result and it was distinction, first class first. So I said, okay, at the age of 52, I can do much more than this. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. So that day of your shining at the age of 52. So I actually I don't think there is any time for anybody to shine. You can shine at any time. Yes. Yes.
Can I say?
Suresh, please.
Yeah.
Sure.
The day I born.
The day you were?
The day I came into this world.
Okay.
I born.
What's your birthday?
Okay.
Crazy.
And you celebrate it every year. Suresh, you celebrate the day of your birth every year.
Yes.
Okay, great. Fine. So I would like to now take you to the second question. You can write those answers also. Which are the two things in your life you wanted to do, but you are unable to do?
Bhavesh bhai, can I?
Yeah. I think we'll just give a little time to everybody to just write, so they can listen to you also.
Bhavesh bhai.
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah. Should we start? Everybody has written it?
Yeah, two things which I wanted to do but cannot do, right?
Okay, yeah.
I wanted to fly like an eagle, which I cannot fly. And I wanted to go back in the past with the time machine, which I cannot do that because the technology is not there.
Okay. Now I need to come to you and see that whether those wings are needed in terms of flying where. Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, Raj.
Just like you, I wanted to be a pilot, but I couldn't because of coming into engineering and then into business.
Okay.
Second thing is, I wanted to add a very big cricket team, which again I cannot. But maybe in future, both the things I am able to do, then it will be something I achieve.
Okay, great. Anybody else?
For me, Bhavesh bhai, for me, I wanted to be the champion in kiting. No, kiting.
Kite flying.
Kite flying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to be champion. I tried a lot, but I had to leave it for my education. I could not continue that passion.
Anand, come to me. I will teach you how to do that.
Okay. I got a guru today, right?
Gujju can do it very well.
Right. And second thing was that I wanted to be a world-class singer.
Oh.
Yeah, that I have not been able to do so far.
Right. Okay. Anybody else?
Bhavesh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Bhavesh, I have two things. One thing, I wanted to become a doctor, but I couldn't do because of constraints in terms of family and other responsibilities. Other thing is, I always wanted to be a pottery artist, ceramics. I love it. But again, it never happened because of the regular work pressure and the whole humdrum about life. but I still want to do it someday. I don't know when. But your
Wow.
session is an inspiring one to think from that angle. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Great. Anybody else, or should I?
I think so. Bhavesh, you can share
Yeah,
yours. I think so. Bhavesh, you can share it of yours. I think so. It would be wonderful if you can share.
Yeah. So the one thing that I told you, was I wanted to be a pilot. That I could not do. I was not having a lot of clarity about what I wanted to do, but something like, becoming a pilot was on my list. And the other thing that I wanted was that I wanted to not work anytime. I just wanted to enjoy life.
Get retired.
Maja karne ka. So these are the two things. Thank you that you asked me that. Anybody else would like to share?
So Bhavesh bhai, I wanted to be my own boss, and I also wanted to get into the teacher's profession. And thanks to IITD, probably both will come true now.
Wow. Great. So we'll go to the next question. I think everybody has. Now, just look at which are the 5 main strengths that you have or you possess. Just write. What is there good about the strengths that you have?
Bhavesh, there is one person who can write for all of us.
Dashrath?
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh. I think even Sanjay can write for all of us.
I think so. This is a very good question because I think so. We don't look into ourselves. We are always worried about what others are thinking. So at times the strength is within us, but we are looking at the outer world. So thank you so much, Bhavesh sir,
And
for
maybe,
such a lovely question.
It is more than 5. You can.
There are plenty actually.
5. Yeah, you can definitely look into that.
Yeah. Can I share mine?
Yes, Suresh ji.
Yes. First one is integrity.
Okay, great.
Whatever you say, you do it.
Mhm.
Second is being unstoppable.
Wow.
Third one is being unreasonable,
Okay.
unconditional,
Okay.
and being a human.
Okay, great.
That's why, yeah. Thank you.
Beautiful strengths that you have, Suresh ji. Anybody else?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, Reena.
Yeah. So I like making friends. I like making friends
Okay.
with you also. Bhavesh, you are my
Okay.
friend.
Right. Okay.
I like knowing about people.
Okay.
And once I have made up my mind, I have made up my mind. All right. फिर मैं अपनी भी नहीं
Okay.
सुनती.
Okay.
हाँ.
So we have a lady, Salman.
Yeah, Salman fan. Actually, I am.
Okay. Great.
Bhavesh bhai, can I go next?
Yes, please, Vimal.
So for me, there are many other strengths, but the most prominent and the most friendly person. I love to people, ready to learn and execute. I'm a more empathizer and supporting people, not only in family but outside family, wherever it is needed. So which are the few of things which I know about it, I do consciously. Many other unconsciously I may do it, but these are the 5 things which I keep doing it. Thank you, Bhavesh.
Okay, great. Great. So I think we'll just move a little ahead. So I am going to share there was a survey which was conducted, and a lot of people were asked what are the regrets that you have in your life, or what was it that you could do something differently. And these were the common answers which were found on the majority of the answers that were there. I'm going to read it one after the other. Just see if you can feel something is very relevant to you or not. I wish I had the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me.
Very true. Very true.
Can somebody share whether somebody has got this similar experience?
Yeah, while you're doing a job, you're always doing the first thing first.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, sometimes even I have seen in myself that we want to make others feel happy, good about us. And, just as I told, that I wanted to be a pilot, but my brother wanted to be an engineer. He could not do it. And I became an engineer. So I'm honestly saying that when I became an engineer, I was not that, into studying or making it. I cleared it, but that was for the sake of it. So I call myself an engineer only just for the sake of it. I learned a lot of things, but that's a different thing. Now, I wish I hadn't worked so hard. Somebody might say, hadn't worked so hard. Yeah, I'll give you an example of my friend who was there with me in engineering, a very intelligent guy. He actually, I can tell you that he was so intelligent after doing his engineering. He did his MBA, and he has worked with the, top people. He was sitting with Mukesh Ambani. He was sitting with Lakshmi Mittal, or rather working for them. And, he used to get to office at 9 in the morning. He might work at late till 2 o'clock in the office. Again, the next day at 9 o'clock, he's there in his chair. And when we used to call him for some outing or something, he would only say, "Arey bhai, abhi bhi bahut kaam hai. Abhi bhi bahut kaam hai." Now, after some years, we are all, in the age of I am right now at the age of 53. Now, a few years before he got a bypass. And after that, we started meeting again. And I could see that, the connect that he was required with his family, with his children, with his wife, and with us was not that, as it was required. He had all the money. He had all the things that were available are there with him. But somehow, when you are working hard, you don't look at, there are some people who are very near ones who expect something from you. Or rather, you also would like to do something. So, this was also one of the, regrets people had. I wish I had the courage to express. Express is basically just keeping something inside and not keeping it or bringing it out. There are a lot of things which, a lot of people experience about this. So this was one of it. I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends, just as I told about my friend. A lot of people have this also as a regret, that I don't think you can open up with anybody like the way you can open up with your friends. This is my experience. I don't know about you, but
yes.
Friends, you are completely full self-expression. You can do anything that you want in front of them. And I wish I had let myself be happier. Only after I get this much amount of money, I will take my family for a vacation outside. Only if I have a house, till then everything is on hold. I am not enjoying every moment that I can enjoy. And, this is something which I relate, like I wish I had let myself be happier. Friends, this is also, Lata Mangeshkar ji has told, she learned singing from her father. Unfortunately, she never did spend much time with him as he passed away quite young. So not being able to spend time with her father remains an eternal regret. We all love her, but when she was looking at the person who was, who has taught her, who was her father, she did not spend that time. She has a regret. And yes, I think a lot of people would. So now, friends, I would like to say that there is it is your life and you have a choice. What choice you make, that is very important. And sometimes, people say you are what the choices you make. At one point of time, if I choose that I want to earn so much of money, keep aside my family time, all these things, that is, somewhere you are going to achieve something but lose. So a balance, maybe, I am not sure. You can look into your life and see. So I want you to just tell that choose consciously, wisely, honestly, and happiness is very important. I think we are all coming here it is not that we want to, yeah, we want to make a career in this, but somewhere we want to contribute to the society, bring about a change in, by helping others. If I can do that, I would be more happier. And honestly, when I look at myself, if I want to move away from my business and somebody asks me, I will definitely say, okay, business, I have some people, please manage it. कर लो यार, थोड़ा थोड़ा मुझे पैसा दे देना, जितना मेरा घर को चाहिए, बाकी आप जो भी मिले वो ले लो. But I want to do something which I like, and that is what, if that makes me happy, I would like to do it. So friends, somewhere it's time for you to shine and make the impact you long to. How do I say? I sometimes people might think whether is it only after you become very successful or you become a celebrity, or there are small things that can make you shine. Whatever you want, and if you can achieve that, if you are satisfied and contented with that, I think that's the shining. How you are helping, how Dr. Raghu or everybody who is teaching us, yes, it is a byproduct. The money that they get is a byproduct, but the inner thing, they are bringing about a change in us. They are making us learn everything which is going to help us in life. We get an emotional connect when somebody is doing good to us. So if you can make an impact, that is, I think you would love to. Now you might decide something, and there are a lot of things which come into our mind. So I want you to take these 3 steps of moving away. Moving away is that don't let these things come near you. We have studied a lot of things in IITD, and self-development, or all these things where we are taught a lot of things very rigorously. It is actually helping us. Now, moving away from feeling victimized and stuck. What does that mean? I am stuck only if I think that I am stuck. It is nobody else that can do that. If I say, if I am doing things the way I want it, I'm not stuck. It is, I have to run my family. I have to see that my children get the education. Yes, we are responsible people. We have to keep that in mind. But don't get into, when you get a thought that, I'm feeling victimized or I'm getting stuck. And you see 85% of the people who are there, it's a survey, I don't know whether right or wrong, but 85% of the people are not happy with the job they are doing. Somewhere that is making a difference. Now, thinking you don't have what it takes, this is that confidence, that person is much better than I am. I don't think I can do the way he does it. Is it in me? I should be born with that. That is not the case. Move those things aside. You can always learn. I think there is nothing which you can say about this. And blaming the outside world for what you are not doing. I can blame, to my brother that, bhai yaar, mere ko pilot banne ka tha, तूने मेरे को बनने नहीं दिया तेरी वजह से. See, that is not right. I had the choice. But maybe at that time I was not very clear. If my thoughts were very clear that I want to become a pilot, I would have done it. So somewhere, this strength, which if you have it in yourself, nobody can move you. So don't blame others. And in order to move forward, you must identify what you loved to do back when you were free to be yourself. I'm talking about the days when you were young, full of energy, and you had those dreams that, yaar, mere ko ye banne ka hai, mere ko ye karne ka hai. All these things were there. At that time, just look at how much energetic you were. रात को 2 बजे 3 बजे तक भी आपको फ्रेंड्स के साथ में बैठ के कुछ करने का है, या you wanted to do something, you were doing it. But is it happening? So get back to that energy. Bring forward those natural talents, skills, and passions in your work life today. These are the natural talents. Your strengths. You just saw that. Those strengths, you bring it to your work life. And I think, you require to work somewhere. You require to do a lot of things. Those are your responsibilities. But at the same time, whatever passion you have, give time, work on it. It will actually happen. And a time will come when you will have that, moment that you can completely plunge. Just like Raghu told that just after IITD, he made a decision that he wants to get into EE. He left a very good job. I think so. You need to get more bold and courageous in your thinking, speech, behavior, and approach to living. One book I had read from Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. Actually, it made a big impact in my life. Lot of things, it is covering almost every aspect which is required for yourself. It does not, it is, you can say it is a Bible for me, where if you read that and implement that, you are going to be super happy and stand up for what you want. Yes, you will have to. When is that time? You decide, but stand up. Because I don't want you to go back and think, अरे यार वो चांस मिला था, वो खड़ा होके बोलने को टाइम मिला था, 40 मिनट में मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया, अब मुझे वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है. वो कॉन्फिडेंस किधर से लाऊं? ये ऑडियंस, अरे these are good people around you, they are there to encourage you, you don't have to worry, you just plunge in. अरे मजा आ जाएगा. And yes, take one step every single day to start living up to your potential. बड़ा बड़ा सोचने का. अभी I think Jayesh told in the morning, you divide your into small timings, and थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अभी you are getting a chance to speak 40 minutes, और कभी चांस मिलता है वापस, if that is your passion, करो. Just take that chance, don't leave it. So friends, just a minute, I think my slide is a little stuck, but yeah, 2 things I want you to just remember when all these things are there, what you just listen, be aware. We have to be aware of our thoughts, and if they are in line with what you want to do or what you want to achieve, then it is okay. But if they are not, then beware. This is not what you want to do. Oh, this is not going to take you where you want to go. So beware. ये नहीं करने का. अरे भाई, फैमिली को टाइम देने का, फैमिली को टाइम दो.
Well
So
said.
be aware and beware.
Very, very well said. Very well said. Very well said.
So this is something, again, you need to, I can say that you can master this craft. Craft basically is just an acronym for clarity, reality, attitude, focus, and time. You can say timely or time bound. I think whatever you want to do, have a clarity of it, have the reality check. I want to go from Mumbai to Calcutta by road, and if I give that other person an appointment for tomorrow morning, it is a little difficult. अरे ऐसे ही कुछ, मतलब थोड़ा reality में रहना जरूरी है. Attitude is very important. It can be a positive attitude, a right attitude. I was going through, one of these things. There was an exercise which I saw while I was just going through in the internet. I could see that, words and numbers were given to the alphabet of A to Z. 1, A for 1, 2 for B and C, and like that, 26 for Z. And there was an exercise which says that attitude is one which has got 100 marks. 100%. If you say, there is another word which I also find out, but that's okay. Attitude is 100%. Happiness is more than 100, but attitude is perfect 100. So if you have the right attitude, your focus, I think we have actually had a very good session on focus by our friend, and it made a lot of clarity. And time bound. Do things on time. Don't procrastinate. Abhi karne ka hai. Yeah, you might feel thoda idhar udhar, just get up and do something here and there, but come back, finish it on time. Try to finish it. Even if it is a little late, it doesn't matter, but don't procrastinate or don't allow it to go, in the shelf.
Do it now. That's what.
So we have some very famous personalities who have actually created an impact. They are the shining stars we all remember. And there's,
35
you know,
minutes
we
over.
all know about, yeah. So we have Mother Teresa. She chose to serve the poorest of the poor and to live among them and like them. She saw beauty in every human being. To simply love and give help to others without asking of either in return. This was her motto. It resonated everywhere she went. She never wanted any fame or any name. She only wanted to serve. And that was her shining. She was not looking for that, you know, fame from from inside, it was that love she wanted to give it to everybody. You know this guy, known as the king of pop, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Yes.
Yeah, he's the best American singer. And I think everybody in the world knows about Michael Jackson because of his dance, for his singing. Albert Einstein, he also said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created. So when we study these people, we understand what their thought patterns are and how they have gone ahead in life. And I can learn a lot of things from, you know, all those people who are here on this. I really feel blessed that, and I always tell myself, I always find good people in my life and I'm attracted to them. And I see that over here. I can only see love in all of you. So I have just one more thing, that is just keep moving forward. The other saying, the two most important days in your life are the day you are born. Mr. Suresh, the day you are born is the most important. This guy says that. And the day you find out why.
Thank you.
Why is very important. Why is literally very important. You don't want to look back. Now today you make a decision, or maybe the earliest you make a decision, the time is, don't waste your time. And know that you could have done better. That is, you don't want to have that regret now in the future. And die empty. I'll just share, you know, I told you about my grandmother. She died at 108 years. And yes, she died at 108 years, fully fit and fine. Up to 100 years, she was doing yoga. And, you know, when I used to go for my overseas visit and come back, she would call me and sit beside, how was your trip? What happened? Are you doing everything okay? You are eating? She was so compassionate. And when I asked her, we celebrated her 100th birthday. And after that, when we asked her, we call her Ba. So I said, Ba, what is it now that you want? She said, I don't want anything. I am happy. I have lived a very happy life. Tomorrow, if anything happens to me, I'm going to die peacefully. She has not kept anything as regrets in her life. She has lived the way she wanted. And the personality, you know, you sit beside her and you get that energy. अरे यार 100 पे इतना एनर्जी 108 पे इतना एनर्जी अपन तो यार आधे पे नहीं पहुंचे अभी तक. So great. So please die empty. Don't have any regrets in your life. So friends, there are 3 takeaways which I would wish that you could take. What are the 3 things that you learned from this session? Please make a note of that. And which are the 2 things that you will implement in your life? Try, please. I would be happy. I think if you can do it, you will be more happier. And what is the one thing that you will pass on to others? Please pass on to others, because, you know, giving is more. So I just want you to all close your eyes for just a short while. If you could close your eyes. Yeah, okay. So I will just repeat and you just repeat the same thing. I want everyone to just look at what you want to achieve in life. And I am going to tell you this about yourself, that better days are coming. You have been through a lot. Now it's time for you to shine. Friends, rise up and shine.
Thank you. What a wonderful, wonderful
Very good.
session.
Very
My
nice.
God.
Very nice. Very
Excellent,
nice. Very
Bhavesh.
Very good.
Superb, superb.
Excellent, Bhavesh. Thank you so
भावेश
much.
भाई एक चैनल पूरा खोल
Gotcha.
सकते हैं मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग विल बी ग्लूड देयर
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
Bhavesh sir.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Lots of takeaways, lots to put into practice, Bhavesh. Yeah.
Yeah, who would
Good day.
give the feedback? Two
Lots
feedbacks.
of wisdom, Bhavesh bhai.
I will first give
सुबह चैनल वाला फीलिंग आ रहा था. It was great.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr.
हाँ वही
Yeah, Mr. Raj Singh.
yes भावेश भाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल से द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन जो था आपका मतलब आपके अल्फाज के साथ साथ आपकी आंखें भी जो थी they were actually narrating the power that you wanted to send to us. The second thing is camera angle, the voice clarity was all good, and you were connected with the content that you had actually chosen for this 40 minutes. So a lot of takeaways you have given the audience, and I'll say nothing to add in your personality. Everything is a pack. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Raj, very much.
भावेश काफी चीजें दिल से निकल के आ रही थी. We were getting that feeling. कि कई बार होता है ना कि मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट होता है, वैसा नहीं था. इट वाज समथिंग व्हिच यू एक्चुअली फेल्ट एंड वाज टेलिंग अस. तो मैंने पहले खुद से सीखा एंड देन दूसरों को बता रहे. तो इट वाज गिविंग दैट वाइब्स. Thank you. It was great.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you so much. What a wonderful presentation, Mr. Bhavesh. Yeah.
Thank you, Raghu.
Yeah, you're all shining. Your face was really glowing. There was a shine, and the glow was seen on your face. You're so natural in your speaking because you shared a lot of your personal examples. This talk was great with a personal story, and from there on, I mean, continued giving a lot of stories. People could relate it pretty well. So a lot of times people have this question in their mind: can we share personal stories? Yes. Personal stories makes a super big impact. So always try to do it. You made very good use of your hands. Many times it was just coming up and people could see the palm. So it was a very receptive way. So it helps the words to come naturally. So very good about that also. And with your permission, can I give few points of improvements so that everyone
Sure.
can
I would love to.
In your presentation, at 2-3 places, I saw the slides were full of matter, a lot of bullet points. Yeah, you're explaining it well, but because the slide was shown with all that matter, people got distracted because something is shown, they went on to read.
Right. Okay.
So they were distracted. You were the hero, but you yourself got something and people got distracted away from the hero.
Right. Okay.
So you should show that, say one point, after you complete that point could come there.
Okay.
And then say the next point, explain with example or whatever it is. And as you're about to complete, should let that point come. So people are only listening to you. There's no distraction. And after you complete that point, when that comes, it gets cemented into their head. That's the way the psychology works. So keep that in mind.
Got it.
And you said 85% of the people are not doing something which they like. Yeah, you said that, made that statement.
Yeah.
And immediately after that, you said research and said 85% of the people. And immediately after that, you said, I'm not too sure about the figures.
Yeah, I could that.
Yeah, that's not required. No one is going to challenge you. No, that is not 85. that is 80, or no one is going to
Okay.
challenge you.
Actually, I did not believe it, so I had to have that feeling.
So-
85% कैसे हो सकता है?
So to avoid these thoughts which come to your mind, you can always do a research check, a Google check, a research it, and get that figure. Yeah, if you are once
Right,
you're
I got
using that figure, confidently use it, because facts and figures make a big impact. So using facts
Right.
and figures, but be sure of it. That's all I want to say.
Sure.
And fillers, you made about 10 to 15 times.
Mm-hmm.
Use the word not required. Why you're required? Your flow was good.
Okay.
Unnecessarily, see, this word comes, or the filler comes because you're taking a pause to think.
Mm-hmm.
So just because you're taking a pause to think, need not fill it with words. No, let that pause be
Okay.
there. It's a small micro pause. It's okay. Need not fill it with words like Yeah, that's clear. Otherwise, beautiful. We all enjoyed a lot. Yeah, and your
Thank you. Thank you.
ending was good with that chanting and very good. Very good.
Okay.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Super, Bhavesh. Thank you so much for this session.
Very good.
Very nice. Bhavesh bhai.